From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning. I'm student meteorologist Denys Khrulov here with your Friday morning Campus Weather Service forecast. So right now we're sitting at 39 degrees here in State College under mostly cloudy skies. So the clouds are still sticking around after a pretty cloudy January, and more on that soon. But the clouds won't be sticking around much longer with a lot of sun coming up. So again, 39 degrees at this hour early this morning, but it feels like a 35. So with those winds coming in the north, it is feeling slightly chilly out there this morning, but not too terrible. So here are some weather headlines. So happy Groundhog Day. As I'm recording this, Punxsutawney Phil has not made his decision yet on whether we'll see an early spring or 6 more weeks of winter. But based on these cloudy conditions, he'll probably won't see his shadow, which means spring might be coming early this year, just based off his prediction though. And we're also coming out of the cloudiest Januaries on record, top 3 here in State College, but coming up ahead, we do have some sunny and milder days ahead. So in terms of breaking records, in terms of cloudiness, we had 71% of January cloudy here in State College, and that is the 3rd cloudiest on record. And out further west to Pittsburgh, they have their cloudiest on record. So across the whole state, this has been a fairly cloudy month with not a lot of sunshine, unfortunately. But that's to be expected in Pennsylvania winters, am I right? So taking a look at temperatures and dew points this morning across the local region. Again, temperatures generally in the mid to upper 30s with dew points hovering around freezing. And if we zoom out at the rest of the Commonwealth, basically the same thing going on. Phillies and Williamsport are warm spots with temperatures making it into the lower 40s, but otherwise everywhere else temperatures are in the mid to upper 30s, so not too much in variation there. And taking a look at your feels like temperatures with that wind coming out of the north, with that cold front passing through overnight, we do have wind chills that are generally in the upper 20s to mid 30s, so not cold, but it's a little bit of a pain walking out there this morning. And with those winds, again, sustained winds this morning across the state are generally between 5 to 10 miles per hour, with Du Bois, our outlier, at 14 miles per hour. Taking a look at current radar and satellite, again, not much going on. There are a few flurries across much northern eastern PA, but otherwise just mostly cloudy skies across the board. We'll see a few maybe mixed of rain and snow showers just pass through the region early this afternoon, but precipitation will not be a key factor today or even coming up. Don't know what happened to the graphics there, but anyway, for the entire region, again, not much going on, just plentiful of clouds just for today. Taking a look at your future radar, again, we'll see the clouds stick around, breaking up a little bit earlier this afternoon, especially into the mid-afternoon hours, temperatures making it to the lower 40s. And then tonight, we'll see breaks of clouds in clearer conditions at times. And then that will really just continue into tomorrow with mostly sunny skies. So get ready. We have a lot of sunny days coming up. You'll see that in the 7-day outlook. And then just moving forward into tomorrow evening and into early Sunday morning, clear skies will stick around. We'll dip back into the 20s by early Sunday morning. And then looking further ahead, high pressure overboard, which allows for sinking air in our area, won't allow for much clouds to form. So Sunday, even into Monday and into Tuesday, we're just going to see the sun stick around with not much moving through our region. So this will make up for one of the top cloudiest months in January for sure. And in terms of temperatures, if you're looking forward to the warmth, get excited because more warmth is coming. Taking a look at the 6 to 10 day temperature outlook by the Climate Prediction Center. These are probabilities. And the darker the red, the higher probability you'll see above average temperatures. And pretty much the whole entire western and central and eastern U.S., will see a high likelihood of seeing above average temperatures in the 6 to 10 day outlook. The only outlier is western United States, where there could be below average temperatures with the active storm track out there. They'll keep temperatures a little bit on the lower side, but otherwise above average across our region. So lots of 40 and 50 degree days are coming up. At least in the short term, there could be a pattern change as we head into the mid to latter half of the month, but that is still a little bit far ways out. So today, a high of 42 degrees with mostly cloudy and breezy conditions. We do that wind coming out of the north at 8 to 12 miles per hour, so a little blustery at times, but not terrible. Tonight we'll get down to a low of 28 degrees with a few clouds. Maybe we'll see a few peaks of clear spots in the skies. You'll see some sun and the moon. The stars and the moon. And then tomorrow we'll get up to a high of 44 degrees with mostly sunny skies. It's going to be a pretty beautiful day. That sun angle is getting a little bit higher each day, so it's going to feel pretty good in the sun tomorrow with the wind coming out of the north at 5 to 9 miles per hour. Anyway, taking a look at your 7-day outlook. I was not joking about the sun coming up. I had issues coming up with ways of describing the sun when making my forecast this morning, and there's just a lot of sun coming up. So today is going to be the last cloudy day with Groundhog Day, and then starting tomorrow through next Thursday, just a lot of sun. And look at that, temperatures will not be having too much variation either, with staying in the mid to generally upper 40s for high temperatures, and lows are staying consistent too, with lows making it into the mid 20s every night. So below freezing in the night, so it might be chilly in the mornings, but we'll make up for it in the afternoons with those temperatures making it into the 40s with mostly sunny skies. Anyway, that is it for your Friday morning forecast. Have a great weekend and week ahead.